Hello, my name is Sweety.
Hi,
During my
myself
internship with Unified Mentor,
Drishalvani.
I
I
had a
have
really valuable
completed
learning
my
experience where I worked
internship
on
with
practical
Unified
project
Mentor
where
as
I
a full
applied
stack web
real-world development
development
concept
intern.
and
It was a
improved my
great
technical
learning
skill.
experience.
So,
I
and the
got to
mentor
work on
and
the projects
the
like
guidance and the
weather
structural
app,
path was
which
very
uses
good.
API
It helped me to
integration, or
understand the
student
industry
teacher
level
booking
workflow.
appointments,
And
which also
I
uses
will recommend
Firebase and
this
Cloud
Unified Mentor to
Firestore.
student who wants to
I
learn
had
and gain hands-on
such a
experience.
great
Thank
time
you.
working on this project, which
Hello, my name is Sweety.
makes my
During my
knowledge
internship with
or
Unified
my
Mentor, I had
theoretical
a really
knowledge
valuable
worked
learning
into the
experience
practical
where I
ones.
worked on
It
practical project
improved
where I
my skills
applied
in
real world
HTML,
development
CSS,
concept and improved my
JavaScript,
technical
and
skill.
also
So,
I happened
and
to
the
learn new
mentor and
skills like
the
React,
guidance and
Node,
the structural part was
and
very
Firebase
good.
as well.
It helped me to understand the industry level
I had
workflow.
such a great time.
And
Overall, the
yeah, I will recommend
mentors in
this Unified
Unified
Mentor to
Mentor are
student who
so
wants to learn
supportive.
and
Any
gain
doubts
hands-on
can be
experience.
solved if I
Thank you.
message them or call them in any
Hello,
time,
my name is Sweety.
which was a
During my
great thing, which
internship with
makes
Unified Mentor,
every
I had a
task
really valuable
easier.
learning experience where
Thank
I
you,
worked on practical
Unified
project
Mentor,
where
for
I
giving me
applied
this
real world
opportunity,
development
and I'll
concept and
recommend to
improved
all
my
the
technical
students
skill.
to gain the
So,
work
and the
experience
mentor and
and the
the
real life
guidance and
experience to
the
this.
structural
Thank
part was
you.
very good.